guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy updo for short to medium length hair. To start, I'm just popping a rough curl into the hair using my straighteners. Make sure that you alternate the direction of your curls. Next I'm going to just cover the hair in some texture spray. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Then we're going to section out the front of the hair from the top of the head to just above the ears on both sides and clip this out of the way for later. And then pop some texture powder just at the roots on the crown, and then I've decided just to give it a light tease for a little bit more volume. Now gather that crown area into your hands and secure into a ponytail at the back of the head. Pinch and pull at the hair for some more volume, and we're just going to clip that out of the way for later, and I'm going to bring the rest of the hair up as close to that first ponytail as possible and create another ponytail. Now, starting on that top ponytail, I'm going to twist the hair in one direction and I'm going to bring it over to the right hand side, making sure that I hold on to the left hand side. Then use a few bobby pins to secure it to the head, but make sure you leave the tail ends hanging loose. Repeat on the bottom ponytail. So hold on the left hand side and then bring the ends over to the right. Make sure that you slightly overlap it with the first ponytail, and again secure with as many bobby pins as needed. Now I'm just going to gather all those tail ends together and we're just going to twist them all in the same direction and secure those to the head, tucking the ends underneath. Then just spend a minute or so pinching and pulling at the bun until you get the texture you like. Moving on to the front of the hair, I've left some hair out to frame the face. For the remaining hair, just split this in half, and I'm going to bring one section up to the top of the bun at the side and secure it with bobby pins, and then bring the second section a little bit lower and again secure with a bobby pin or two. Then just repeat on the left hand side. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.